In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make an About Us page on Shopify. We will do this directly from your Shopify admin, and the goal is to create a clean page that you can either build with your theme editor or fill in later with written content. This is a simple process, but a few settings matter, especially visibility and the page template. First, log into your Shopify admin. On the left-hand menu, go to Online Store, and then select Pages. This is where Shopify stores all of your standalone pages, like Contact, Shipping Policy, and of course About Us. Once you are on the Pages screen, click Add Page. This opens the page editor where you will set up the basics. In the title field, type About Us. The title is important because it becomes the page name customers see in menus and in the Browser tab, so keep it clear and consistent. Next is the Content box. If you plan to design a custom About page layout using the theme editor, leave the Content box empty for now. Many Shopify themes let you build pages with sections, images, and text blocks directly in the theme customization tools, and an empty content area keeps things uncluttered. If you ever change your mind, you can always come back and add written content later. Now look to the visibility area on the right side. Make sure the page is set to visible. If it is not visible, customers will not be able to access it, even if you add it to a menu. Setting it to visible ensures it can be published and ready to use. After that, choose the page template. Select Default Page, unless your theme offers a specific About template. Some themes include an About template that is designed for storytelling, team photos, or brand values. If you see a custom option that matches your theme layout, you can select it here. Finally, click Save. At this point, your About Us page is created and published based on your visibility setting. You can now proceed to customize how it looks in your theme editor or link it in your store navigation when you are ready. And that is all there is to it.